This is the new project. This is a 2007 Mustang GT. It was my sister's car. I bought it from her. As you can see, it's got some damage. This is done from a tornado. You see the roof here is caved in. There's a windshield, there's rocks. You know, the rocks everywhere. The side glass is gone on both sides. You see there's gone on both sides. You see there's lots of rocks and debris inside. It totaled her house too. Totaled her car. The quarter glass is busted back here on the driver's side. And miscellaneous scrapes from all the rocks that flew and the roof that hit it. See, the back glass is gone. This is Vista Blue. This quarter glass is okay. It's not destroyed. But and the mirrors are gone. Yeah, it's a standard. It's got 50,000 miles on it. So I'm going to, what I'm going to do with this car is we're going to take this roof and we're going to cut it off. We're going to cut it off and put a new roof on it. One of my mean ass neighbor's dogs over there come over here to see what the hell's going on. But that's what we're going to do. This is video 1. You see it's a GT350. Nice little car. Good tires. Nice wheels. The looks like the turn signal on the side fell in. What are you doing, Rosie? It's a mean dog. We're gonna see what happens.